42,000 organic traffic, lots and lots of backlinks, lots of AI citations. We are leveraging AI agents to do all of this for our clients' businesses and for our businesses. How can you utilize AI agents to do this for your business? Well, let's dive in. Let me show you. The main website app that we are using is Arvo, because hands down, it's one of the best sources leveraging AI agents in the right way to get traffic increases and ranking increases. So there's a variety of different ways that you can use this software. Obviously, some of this stuff you can do in Claude and Codex and ChatGPT, but it's not structured. It's going to take you hundreds of hours to be able to do this stuff, whereas Arvo has leveraged their agents to be able to do this stuff fast. And out of the box, right away, you can start doing this stuff. There's going to be no learning curve, nothing like that. So first and foremost, you can create SEO content, SEO articles using their content agent. So you can do it based on keywords. You can enter a title if you want. The nice thing about this and why this works so well is this is not AI slop content, because you can interject your own brand assets. And this is what Google wants. Google, you can use AI to help write content, but Google doesn't want commodity-based content that everyone can write. They want your own content that's tailored to your brand, tailored to your own variables, tailored to your own assets. So there's a variety of different ways that you can do this. The first way using Arvo is to interject your own information here. So you can set up your language, point of view, but this is where it gets awesome. So you can do your own knowledge base, right? And what do I mean by that? Well, you can interject your website, your case studies, training documents, anything that you want to give it. And it's going to train the agent on your brand and all the information in your brand. So it's going to interject that in the article. So it's not creating slop articles. It's creating brand-friendly articles. You can format it specifically. You can structure it specifically. You can enter your sitemap. So it's going to link the pages together. So it's going to link your blog pages to your money pages, to your service pages naturally. You can include your own images, or it'll create them for you. You can include your own YouTube video. It'll embed that, or it'll do a relevant YouTube video if you want that. So that's first and foremost. It's creating these amazing brand-friendly articles tailored to your brand. That's not AI slop. So you can kind of see this is how they look on the front end. If I open this up, you can kind of see the technical SEO parts, meta description, alt text. You can see the internal linking. It'll externally link to trusted sources as well. Plus, you can use their AI to revise any of this if you want to. You can highlight it, revise it that way, or do the AI assistant. The other thing that you can do, what sets Arvo apart, is you can create variable template articles. So this is one for like plumbing. Here's one for real estate. So you can create custom articles with your own variables. This is what will set you apart, because you're interjecting your own variables unique to your business. So you can create those articles as well. And it's really easy to do it. I have videos that I've talked about this before. I'm not going to go into all that, but you do custom article, give it a prompt, give it a markdown outline, and you can create it and then use it over and over and over again. There's a tutorial showing you how to set these up, but really, really cool. Again, we have these for, like, this is one for plumbing. So you just enter the service, the city, and the state. It'll generate an article, and you can use that as a web page, a service web page, which is really cool. But we've done many of these. Let me see if I can find one that we did. Here's one for protein. This is one on protein. So we did variables according to this protein study, and it created all this, the graphics, everything. So this is a very unique, you're not going to find this article anywhere else. So this sets it apart. These AI agents work really well. It's highly customizable, but easy to use out of the box. And there's other things you can do that are really good. News articles, so trending news articles, you can do it on a keyword or a niche. You can do articles based on a YouTube channel or RSS feed. Or YouTube feed, which is really cool. You can set this up as an auto blog. So this is fully running on autopilot. So you do a full auto blog. It'll pull to your feed, which can either be an RSS feed, a YouTube, a news feed, or a keyword feed. It'll pull that, generate, and publish and you can integrate with any website very, very easily out of the box. So that's number one. Again, that is what we're doing for these guys to get this type of traffic. I mean, look at these increases. And this is solely from this content strategy using template articles and SEO articles, which works really well. The other thing that you can do is you can use this for technical SEO. So this will go out, you enter your website here, and it's going to analyze all of your technical SEO, meta titles, descriptions, chronological URLs, image alt text, internal links, FAQ schema, article schema. So all of this stuff. And then the nice thing about this is it'll tell you what you have, what you should fix it to, why you should fix it so you can learn, and then you can apply the change. Or you can go in here and just hit this and apply all of these changes at once. So literally in a couple of clicks, you can audit and correct all of your website's technical SEO. This would take you hours before, and this does it in literally a couple of minutes, if not seconds, which is really, really cool. And it helps fill in the gaps. So this alone is going to give you a nice boost. The other thing is they have an AI agent for backlinks. So you can automate your backlinks. How does this work? Well, basically you enter your website and get entered in the backlink pool. So there's thousands and thousands of users in this pool that use Arvo, right? When anyone, yourself or anyone else, creates a piece of content, it's going to look at this pool and see, okay, analyze your content. The agent's going to look at all of your content, and that's going to look at this pool. Is there any relevant backlinks or external links that they can include and link to naturally in your content? If there are, it will include those naturally in your content as an external link, and then that person will get the backlink, and vice versa. For anyone else creating content, it's going to look at your links. Are any relevant, and are they high DR? And if so, it'll naturally include those in content, and then you get the backlink credit. Works extraordinarily well. Most users of this are getting a couple of backlinks a week automated, and a lot of them are higher DR backlinks, 40, 50, even 60 DR backlinks. So this works really, really well. This agent does a really good job at piecing that together and giving the high quality backlinks. So that works really well. So those are the three major AI agents that we have doing the three most important things with these websites. And this is all on autopilot, all automated, works really, really well. And there's other things that Arvo has in here. They have an LLM brand monitor. You can monitor your performance across ChatGPT, Perplexity, Claude. It'll show it'll give you prompts. You can create your own prompts, add your own prompts, then it'll track, okay, the visibility, it'll track the sentiment. What I do for these websites is any low visibility prompts, I'll take that and put it up here and create an article, create content around it so we can get more visibility. So this works really, really well. And then there's Site Explorer. This allows you, this is kind of like Ahrefs. You can kind of go in here and see traffic of your own website or someone else's website. It'll show you the traffic, and then it'll also show you the top pages. But this is really, really helpful to kind of see what other people are doing and what your own site is doing. And there's some other stuff on here I'm not going to get into, but this is always growing. They're always adding new stuff. But this is how we're leveraging the AI agents that Arvo uses just to make your life a lot easier and automate and save you thousands and thousands of hours of time. So hopefully it helps you guys out. Check out this other SEO video to help you guys out. I'll be back soon with some more good stuff for you guys.